What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino, and we got a challenge. I like them once in a while, not all the time though. But let's turn the camera around and see what we're dealing with. Not much light in here, but as you can see, it is really soiled. The light really in here does not give it any justice really on the lighting, on the severity of it. No odor, just really heavily soiled. A lot of color spots here and there. I am addressing some color. Yeah, really soiled. I'm dressing with some color, some paint and stuff in this room. I did charge extra for it. Did not guarantee. And this room actually is the best of it. So we're gonna get that chemistry right, and I'm not gonna tell you what the chemistry is. If you want to know what the chemistry is, comment below. If you're interested on what I used to get this carpet looking so amazing. See, I'm already predicting the future because I'm confident. All right, so keep watching. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we're doing this couch too, so knock that one out real quick. So it is leather and fabric, so we don't treat the leather. We just kind of do the fabric on it. We quoted it at that, so. Originally, I walked in here thinking it was like some synthetic dye, but the guy said that the little girl had paint, so it's all different color paint here. So we're going to treat it, and hopefully it comes out looking good. A lot of times if it's water-based, it comes out nice and easy. If it's not, then takes a lot longer, but we'll see. 200 degrees at the wand. Did I not tell you it was going to come out looking great? Did a post spray right there, what I think is organic. It didn't want to come up initially with a 20 volume. Got 99% of the color out of here. Some of that stuff didn't want to budge, so I think it was artificial coloring. So I did a post spray with Stain 1 by Pro's Choice on there. Turn that lights up. And I didn't want this master bedroom done, so we didn't do it. But I have a feeling after they see the rest of the house, they're gonna go, you know what, maybe we gotta try to get this clean. Because they're gonna replace it. I'm not sure why, because it wasn't too much worse than the rest. And right here, looks good. So yeah, great results. Pretty happy with the job. So if you guys like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, of course, and go ahead and if you want to know what solution I use for this job, comment down below. Okay, like the video, then comment down below. Okay, liking it's going to help my video get seen more on YouTube, and comment below also helps with that too. So that's why I'm not telling you. So if you want to know, add it to your arsenal. You're going to be surprised, the pH on this thing. All right, we'll see you in the next one.